Hello guys, I'm Mr. Fame. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload to TestFlight. First, we need to go to Apple Developer. And we just need to log in our accounts. I've already logged in. If you first time come here, you just log in your account and then go to certificate. And we just need identifier, and then we need to create one. And we just go through here and create an app connect, and description, just give a name like coin app or anything. Under the bundle identifier is over here. Just copy paste of your app and just go continue and register, because I have already registered, so I show this error, so you don't need to. But normally if you press register, you will be showing up over here, because for mine I just registered earlier for this app. And after this, then we need to go to App Connect, Apple App Connect, and sometimes they need to log in again, and you can just go to My App, and also in this case you can just create one, and same thing, just coin app, and whatever platform you want to upload to. And we can press on the bundle for this, because we registered earlier, it will be whatever we just picked. Because because I already picked this, you should be showing up here. Just pick the one we just registered earlier for the identifier. And for SKU, this is just anything unique. Normally just put your name and today's date. 24/10/21. Yeah, and for the user, for this part, like if you are just working by yourself, you just post full access. Because sometimes if you use a large organization, you can just limit the account. But normally full access will be fine. And click create, and you should be showing up here, or if not, you just refresh. Oh, you refresh by yourself. Yeah, and we see it's over here. And after that, we'll go to the TestFlight. And okay. And next, we just need to archive our app. I'm just using this app for this example. Normally, just go to the product. Because sometimes if you don't see the archive here, it might be because you need to select any device. Because if you select iPhone 12, you will not show up. We just need go back to any device and product archive. Sometimes it might take a while if you have big app. Because for archive, we basically just push your current build to the App Store. Okay, it cannot be transparent for the background. I'm just creating an icon generator or anything. For me, I use app Icon Resizer. You just download it from the App Store, and you just drag your picture here and then press regenerate. You will just generate all the sizes for one icon. After that, and you put it in, and you can archive. If you forgot to put in the icon, you can do that again, and they can archive again. For this, we see, because I have done this earlier, so we see this is the current time. This is when it's done. Then we can just distribute the app. If you can archive before, it will show up all the previous one too. For this, we just need to App Store connect. And we just upload. For this, just get all checked. And for this part, if you're just new to the App Store and you preferably just automatically, you save a lot of headache. If you do manually, it's because it's old school doing it, like you need to do all the manual work. if you're just a personal developer, it will be fine. And you see, just upload, and it's successful. And we should be able to see here, because for this app because I did it earlier, so it's now you will not show here, you will not show up in this one, because I have used the coin combine earlier for this. Because for this one I use for the bundle identifier, because I use this, so it should be showing up here. There you need to press add, and you just press any name of first tester or something, and then you create, and it will be showing up here. For me, I created earlier the first beta tester. Okay, after it's done uploading, it should be popping up here. This is one I did just upload right now. The previous upload earlier, so it should show number 1. And this is the one just upload, so it should show build 2. And normally you are sometimes you say missing compliance. You just click manage, and this is just basically to use any standard encryption within the Apple. Normally, like if you any like network request HTTPS, then it is a standard. Normally just press yes. And over here, basically it's just once a year, Apple require you to submit a form to them, because it sounds like the registration. I don't want to mess up. You can just learn more. You can learn more about it. Yeah, if you're making any HTTP calls, you're required to submit a year-end form to the US government. You just press learn more. Quite a lot of private information, so I don't want to mess you guys up. You can just click learn more. After you look at it, press yes and start internal testing, and you'll be ready to submit. You'll be changing to like this, and after that you just press the build you want to, and just pressing the testing or whatever. Just tell the user what you want to test about. Add the group here, the one we just added earlier. After that, normally when we press next, you will be turning into like this, waiting for review. Because I did earlier, so I don't want to double submit it. And after the review is done, when you go to the group, for this part you will be changed. You'll be changed to enable a test flight link. And after that, you can just press enable it, and it will provide you a URL, a link you can send to other people. Other people just need to download the test flight app and just use this link. They will able to download your app. And that's for the public one. Also, you can use it for private. Adding here the new tester, you can send it, like if you want to send someone specifically, give this email at josh@gmail.com, Josh fan app, and you can add the people for those individually, and they will receive an email too. Okay guys, that'll be it. That'll be how you submit your app to TestFlight. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will see you guys the next time.